Hello and good day, traders. The market has already opened today. This is a pair, gold and USD. Normally, I don't analyze gold, but a lot of traders like to trade in gold due to its volatility. And this volatility mainly is dominated by the fundamentals. Any war, escalation of the political geopolitical situation, all those things affect gold more than any other pair. So for the gold lovers, I mean the gold trader, the traders who loves to trade in gold, I would like to put this analysis for you guys. Please make your own analysis before you take any trade. That is a disclaimer on my part. Any trade you take based on my analysis is completely your derivative. Coming back to gold, we are currently in monthly time frame, and if we see that in monthly time frame, actually gold is ranging for a long time. So if we visualize it, we can see that this is the range. It is ranging from May 2020, April 2020, and it is still ranging within the same range. Yes, we got some upward traction on last May of this year 2023, but it failed to reach more than that. And if we just check on the volume there, we can see very clearly what is happening on that. Let me do it again. If we see the volume, let's see from here. That is the best thing to do. You see that in the higher price range, the volume is not that good. This price range, the volume is not that good. That's why the volume, it failed to keep the traction on the upward and retraced back to this position. Currently, considering the volume, you can see the current price is the highest volume has been traded, which is 19377, and this volume consists of both buy and sell, so we don't have a net volume here in this indicator. Now if we see in this range, we can see if we measure the half of it, what is the situation now. We'll go step by step so we can understand the market structure very clearly. So this is the half range, we can say, for gold at the moment, and the price is more than half. So what are the information we have here? We can see that the price went up from here, and there is no double bottom here, but for weekly double bottom or daily or 4-hourly double bottom, stopped the price to escalate less than this on the downside. So this was the reason for that. The price has stopped going downward, and it pushed the price up to this extent. Here. So this is another zone we have to see, and this is the result of this. So if we see, after reaching the highest in the history, it came down, and for 4 months it was on bearish trend. This was the top for the 4 months. We had a bearish trend, and we have a very bearish trend, especially on September. And after that, it tried to pull back. But why did it? So if we measure, it is 50% of the range. You can see this is just 50% of the range. Gold has came down from top to here. It is 50%, and it is the same. But we can see a shadow well, the reason behind that, this shadow, is that there was nothing here to stop the price. And you can also see that after creating this demand, after getting here, it created the demand. 1 month it retraced, and again it started. So this was created from here. This was created from here. So we can say, we rather not concentrate on the big structure because it is 3 years structure. Let's concentrate on this part where the price is, everything is taking place at the moment. Excuse me. So we can see here that there is a double bottom here in specifically monthly time frame. This is the double bottom we have now, and let's put it a little bit here. So let's draw it properly. So this is the double bottom we have. Let's put it correctly a little bit like this. Yes, I think it will serve the purpose. So we have this double bottom at the moment. So let's I don't want to disregard, just change the legend of it. So it is our this is our half of the total range. Please do not forget, these dotted lines is the half of the whole range. And now we have a double bottom, and this double bottom, when the gold price was here, it's supposed to dive up from here to here, but no one was here. There was nothing here to resist it. So this was the supply demand zone, from where when the price reached here, it pushed it back and created this very big what you say, engulf. And this engulf has this green candle has taken out 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 4 months top. Almost it failed the top of July, but it has taken out almost these 4 months. And again it came back here, and the price has been pulled back. In current month, we do not have any double top at the moment, because until 30th of December, we don't know what this candle will be, whether it will be green or a big red or a small red. So we have to wait. We have to wait now. So if we disregard this red candlestick, we don't have a monthly double top. Though we have green, red, but we cannot until this time frame is finished. So that is all we can get from the monthly time frame. There is nothing more here. And we are in the 3rd week of November at the moment. First 2 weeks are gone. So let's get back to weeks now. And if for any reason, if we want to put a double top, we may draw it from here due to this green red and this green red. Let's draw it so we can have a sense of what is going on, and we cannot draw more than that at the moment. Let's put it like this. So our current range, if we consider, as we have this bullish candle here, we can measure the half of it and see what is happening in monthly. So this is the half, and if we put the mark there properly, this is the thing we have now. So now it didn't went up to that, it came down here, and this guy is responsible for this top at the moment. We don't know until we finish this month or in the coming month what is going to happen. Most of the analysts are saying that gold is again positioning itself for an upward, so we would like to see if it is correct or not. And second thing, keep in mind all the time that gold is dominated by fundamentals more than structural. So if you take as I do analysis for swing trading, I would prefer that whenever you take trade in gold, please go to higher time frame. For structural or technical analysis based trading, you need to move to a higher time frame. At least not less than 4 hours. That is my suggestion. Of course, you are the king of your decision. Now, getting back to week, if we see that do we have a double bottom? Yes, we have a double bottom. Consider this green candle, and if we consider this shadow. So, if we draw it like this, we can say that we have something like this in the week. Sorry, this is the thing we have in week. Let me draw it properly first so you guys can see things more clearly. So this is a double bottom in week, and we would like to visualize it in a different color. Let's visualize this, and the line of week and day are same, so we are not putting any line there for the moment. Coming back here, if we see here that we have a green red and that doesn't match with anything here, we don't have any green red to create a double top here. So we are going to find what is the double top, why the price has been pushed back this way on this side. So let's go to day, and again in day we can see we have a double top here. So we have monthly, weekly and daily double bottom here. So in day, if we draw the line here, can we have a double bottom? I beg your pardon, double top. No, we don't. We have a green and red, but the shadow here, the red one doesn't falls in the body of this red, so we would like to avoid that too. So let's get back to 4 hours now and see if we have something in 4 hours which created this top. Let's expand it a little more. Yes, maybe we have. Let's enlarge it, enlarge it, enlarge it. Where is it? Now I'm getting lost. Hold on. Just please bear with me. Let's put a line here so we can understand what is happening. And we can have a reference of that in here too. So if we increase it, we can see that there is a green and then the red, but it is not correctly identified because we need a green here first. So let's go to 3 hours chart. Can we have something here? Yes, I think we have something here. I think, and it is a almost Marubuju type candle. So this one is the case which created, but to get the shadow, why don't we try for 2 hours? Let's see, in 2 hours we can have a better understanding why it has been created, for what reason. And yes, we have a shadow here. Can you guys see? So from 2 hours time frame, this is the guy. This guy has stopped the price going above this guy. And in this downtrend, can you always, I try to communicate that any opposite color candle in a downtrend is a big issue, and these candles are very powerful because the sellers pushed the price down and it came here, the buyer took control. From here they pushed the price up and they pushed the price up, and the buyer got some mileage here to stop the downtrend, but later on in this next 2 hours it failed and it continued. So if we take this guy, if we take and we go on now with this, we have a double top, and this is the cause the price has stopped, because there was a green candle in a downtrend which is opposite in color of the trend or inconsistent with the trend. So can we, yes, we need to go further. We are already in July finished, August. There is no price reference apart from this on the left hand side, so we must know why the price has stopped there, and we have successfully able to find that. So why don't we change the time frame a little so we can add the details. I beg your pardon, I made the mistake. I think I need to go back again. Yes, we are almost done. Let's bring it here. So this was also the cause that it created the price. Also here we can see that this is another tweak we have, or we can use this guys also. This guy we can use, but it is out of range. The price is above that, so we cannot use this. We have to go further left to get our price reference. So let's get back to, hold on, before I go I need to enable this to be displayed in different time frame minutes. Let's, okay, and I need to change the color. It is offbeat of our, this is 2 hours. I told that not to trade less than 4 hours, but to find the reason I have to go to 4 hours, 2 hours. Thank you for having the patience bearing with me. So this was the cause which pushed the price below and created a double top here. Now we have a weekly double bottom here, and here is the double top. So, and this was the half of the month if we consider this monthly double bottom. So we would like to remove this for the time being. We don't need this. Let's leave it for the time being. And this was the half of the full range, if you guys can remember. Now we would like to measure what is happening here. Yes. So the price, 50% of this downtrend is here, current, and this is 50% of the month of the full range. So let's go to month so you can visualize these things. This was the month double bottom, and this was the top, and this was the half of that. So price is right now half of this current ranging we have mentioned, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 or 12 months, whatever you say. But going back to 4 hours now, if we increase the chart, we can see that this double top has been created from far back, this was the reason the price stopped here and pushed it back. So what will happen now? This is the biggest question. What will happen now? And again, you can see price didn't stop here in this region. It went up, it gave a reaction and it came down. But again, this, opposite color candlestick we have here, and this guy is powerful enough to stop the downtrend here to. And if we draw a box here in 4 hours, you can understand it very clearly. You see this opposite color candle which stopped the whole thing. This guy stopped it completely to going down. The price went down up to here, and if we extend it to up to here, it has taken out some of the liquidity from here, not the full. Still we have liquidity here. So my idea is that if we would like to trade, my thinking that the price will move here again to retest for the time being, and if it fails, and I think it will fail, it will come here to collect further liquidity. Though we can see very clearly that this every fair gap value has been mitigated by this green candle already. So a lot of liquidity is currently here, which give us the 50% of this double top and this guy. I mean this double top and this guy. This is the thing. Now this thing I have just portrayed. This is actually I shouldn't, because let me put it in black, because still I am not clear if it will hold up here, because it is not putting enough traction on the upside. We have a very good 4-hour candle here, and then this is hammer, we can say, but the hammer didn't sustain, so I don't know whether it will come back. So considering the fact, if it goes up here, comes back, goes up here, fail again, it will come back to this 50%, and this 50% matched with this zone very clearly, undoubtedly. And after that we will think what to do. And if you can see, the price is here 1910, which is a psychological thing, and if we go below that here, guys, can you see it is 1907? This is a very complex area, and if it breaks downward, then it will reach here to 1868 or something like that. So I'm not considering at the moment, but of course please keep in mind we have a very large fair value gap here, very large. Don't forget. If you forget, you will be punished for that, believe me. A very large fair value gap exists here, so price will be attracted here like a magnet to mitigate this region, and this is a very big area we must keep in mind. Apart from that, the 7th of October, if you see that the 6th and 7th of October we have opened the price with a gap, and this gap also need to be mitigated sooner or later, but I don't know when, but it needs to be mitigated. Market does not allow inconsistency, I believe me. So this is one scenario. On the second scenario, if this becomes a double bottom officially, it has already. So if you guys feel comfortable, I would like to change the color of this as per the 4 hours the color I use. So if we think that officially it has become a double bottom here, this is the place it has become officially. So we have another option. If this thing supports stayed intact, we need to go, the price will go higher. Now to find that, this is the 50% of our current, I explained it earlier, this range, if you guys can remember, not the bigger range, not this range. I'm talking about, let's put it in mark, this 50% is actually from here to here. So it will work as a resistance here. It will work as a resistance. I don't want to show it in any other places at the moment. No need. Okay. So this 50% will work as a resistance. My way of thinking, if we have a breakout of this region, let's put it this way, if we see that it moves upward, came a little down, moved upward, came a little down and failed, then we may, I repeat it, we may target the next zone. Now let us find the next zone where the price will be. So we can see if the price has been rejected here, if one, two times, and here 2 times also. So it will be a region. It will be a very good. I beg your pardon. It will be a very good reason that let me draw it later so I can visualize it better. So if the upward traction starts, if we see it, we have a very good zone here. In this place, the price will start reacting. I don't know whether it will create a double top here or not, but the price will react. And if it breaks this area, then we have another zone. Now, sometimes people ask me why as before I say that, let me show you here. This is another opposite color candle in the downtrend, which is green, so it will react here too. Sometimes people ask me very clearly that why I put this zone without any reason, or what is the purpose. Now, all the indicators available in the market, out of that 2 or 3 indicators are there which are leading indicators. Rest of the indicators are lagging indicator based on what happened. These are my leading indicators. These two. If the price goes upward, so price will come here. If the price goes upward, come here, maybe make something like this, then it will also make something like this here. So it is my derogative how do I interpret them, and it will work like this. Then it may reach this zone again. So that is why this is my leading indicator where the price will react and how it will react and why it will react. The reason behind why it will react. This is the zone. Why it will react. This is the zone. It is not necessary that it will react absolutely here, no, but the probability of reacting price, we will see some price action here once the price reaches here. On the downside, I have already explained that there is a chance that the price will come down here, but I should tell you a little bit more about it. I missed that, so maybe it will go, it will fail, it will come back, it will retest, it will come back here, and it will retest again. No, I have to redraw it again. It is not going good because I need to show you this area also. So there is 2 options here we are left with. One, it will go retest, it will fail the retest and it will come here. It will, of course, it will retest, believe me. And then once it is out, it will come here, believe me, because there is no one on the left hand side to protect it at the moment. Nothing is here. Nothing is here to protect the sellers, to obstruct the sellers at the moment. This is one option. Another option I have found after analyzing it, that the price will come, retest, it will break out, and here, from here, it will take all the liquidity. Let me try it again. It is not correctly drawn. So another option we have, that price will come, may retest here, and it will come here. Why it will come here? For this. Or it may be a little bit more to mitigate some of the fair value gap here. So maybe it will come here, it will retest, clear all this, it will take out all this liquidity, then price will move up with a higher, such a big liquidity. It will move up, it will retest, it will move up. So these are the three scenarios we have. I don't know how you guys will take trade, but these are the most probable thing. In my opinion, if you would like to take trade, take the trade after on long, if you based on this leg after breaking this price level, and take a short if this line is broken and retest completed, then take this. And be careful, if it breaks down this short, you have to be careful this zone, because we have a very big liquidity waiting. I don't know, after taking this liquidity will go down or it will pull it back on the bullish trend. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have a question and query, I'll be delighted if you share with me in the comment section. Please do subscribe, share, and press the bell button. That much I expect from you guys, nothing else. Thank you very much.